Guys, this is a video on vitamin B complex, that is vitamin B3 niacin, one of the very important vitamin. So sources includes the peanut, legumes, grains, vegetables and meat. 1 gram of niacin is equal to 60 mg of tryptophan. So these are some of the sources, rich sources of niacin. RDL level is around 20 mg per day in adults, and in lactation it is slightly increased to 25 mg per day. We'll look after the functions of niacin. Before that, we'll see the two important coenzyme of niacin. First one is NAD+, that is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, and second one is NADP+, that is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. So these two are very important coforms of niacin. First important function include NAD+ dependent enzyme, that is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase is the important enzyme which helps for the conversion of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate into 1,3 BPG, that is bis-phosphoglycerate. So glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is getting converted into 1,3 bis-phosphoglycerate, that is in the presence of this enzyme. And also there is NAD+ is getting converted into NADH plus H+. Some other reactions are in the presence of enzymes like malate dehydrogenase, PDH, that is pyruvate dehydrogenase, and alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. These kind of reactions are also taking place in the presence of this enzyme. Some of the other functions are NAD+ dependent enzyme, that is glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase is the enzyme which helps for the conversion of glucose 6-phosphate into 6-phosphogluconolactate. So this reaction takes place in the presence of NADP+ to NADPH plus H+. If there is deficiency of niacin in our body, the very important cause or deficiency is pellagra. Remember this word, pellagra and Cassell's necklace are the two important terms. If they ask any questions about niacin, just at least write these two words. Deficiency of niacin mainly causes pellagra, that is roughening of your skin, as well as tryptophan. When there is deficiency of tryptophan in your body, you can see pellagra. There will be roughness of your skin. It is mainly seen in the women because women consume a bit less quantity of B3, that is niacin, compared to men. So you can see main 3 Ds. Write this. This is very important. That is 3 Ds. And fourth D is death. First, dermatitis, diarrhea, dementia and death. So these are the 3 Ds, that is dermatitis, diarrhea, dementia, and the fourth D is death. Very important Ds. These are the 3 Ds. So we'll study about these 3 Ds. Fourth one is death. First one is dermatitis. In the early stage, you can see bright red erythema occurs in feet and ankle and also face. There will be increased pigmentation around your neck. That's why you can see Cassell's necklace. It looks like necklace formation around your necklace. When you wear necklace, the way it looks around your neck, same way it looks around the patient's neck. It's called as Cassell's necklace. The second D is the diarrhea and the third D is dementia. So the second D is diarrhea. It occurs due to inflammation of mucous membrane of GIT. It also may contain blood and mucous membrane. There will be increase and excessive vomiting. You can also see the weight loss and nausea. You'll always feel like, I feel like puking situation in vomiting. So the third D is dementia. It is mainly seen in the chronic cases. Neurological symptoms like depression, anxiety, irritation, like memory loss, etc. Ataxia and spasticity is also seen. What is ataxia? There will be damage in brain, nerves and muscles. You can see all these parts are getting damaged. And spasticity is nothing but there will be contraction of muscles. You can see there is contraction of your muscles which causes some neurological condition and irritation, anxiety in your body. So that's it about the B3 niacin. Hope you have understood this video. Please do comment, like, share and subscribe. If you want me to explain any other chapters, you can please jot it down in the comment section. Thank you.